Hi, it's Laura Wilson. So today we're going to record a video on how to create a super smoothie. So this smoothie is really the staple of our 5-day detox, and it's packed full of nutrition. It's got 8 ingredients. So here are the ingredients. We've got apples, we've got lime juice, we've got cucumber, we've got celery, spinach, wheatgrass powder, pineapple and water. So I would advise, I'm using the Kenwood Smoothie to Go smoothie maker here, which is super easy to use. You basically just put all the ingredients in a cup and then put the lid on, and the lid is actually the blender with the blending blade. So that cup you see there is a travel mug. It's got a seal tight lid, so it's really convenient. I would advise putting in the apples first because they're slightly harder to blend than say the pineapple or even the celery. So in with the apples, chop them up, just roughly chop them. In with the cucumber, in with the celery. So we've got half a stick of celery, we've got about 2 inches of cucumber, then a handful of spinach. Next is our wheatgrass powder. So I buy my wheatgrass powder online, organic wheatgrass powder. Wheatgrass is amazing, packed full of around 93 vitamins and minerals, including things like calcium and amino acids for protein. So don't worry, you're going to be getting more than enough nutrients and protein with this diet. I've made sure of that. So in with the pineapple. Now, if the pineapple doesn't all fit, then you might have to leave a bit out and blend it to start with and then add it in again, which is what I usually have to do. So there you go, you just stick the blade, the lid blade on the Smoothie to Go maker and then blend it up. It's super easy. If your travel mug is packed a bit too tightly like mine normally is, because I like to have a lot of ingredients in there, then just give it a little shake and maybe add some of the ingredients in afterwards if they don't all blend in at once. So like I say, I've got the Smoothie to Go. This is very similar to the NutriBullet. So there's other ones on the market. This one cost me about £20. So there we go, in with the last bits of pineapple there, and look at that gorgeous green colour. I tell you, this smoothie is just an amazing smoothie. Only 300 or so odd calories, but this really just energizes you. It's going to fill you up. It's going to make you feel really alive. And if you have one of these smoothies every day, if you were to continue and do this every day, just one smoothie a day, you'd have amazing skin. You'd be feeling fantastic a lot of the time. So I would say continue doing this smoothie if you can. This is really the staple gold standard of smoothies in my opinion. It's packed full of nutrients. So there we go, there we have it. That's your travel mug. Look how large that is. So much nutrients, so much goodness, so much taste in one small smoothie. Yum, yum.